Alright folks, welcome back to the Science and Facts channel. Today we're diving into Chapter 1 of Anatomy and Physiology. This is a crucial chapter for you healthcare students out there, especially those in nursing. So let's break it down. First off, what is anatomy and physiology? Anatomy is all about the structure of the body parts, what they are, how they're built, and where they are located. On the other hand, physiology focuses on how these body parts work together to perform essential functions. Simple enough, right? Now, why is this important for nurses? Understanding these concepts helps nurses identify where body problems occur and provide accurate treatments. It also helps in understanding how the body reacts to diseases and medication. Trust me, knowing this stuff will make your life a lot easier. Let's talk about the branches of anatomy and physiology. In anatomy, we have gross anatomy, which is the study of large body parts visible to the naked eye, like muscles and organs. Then there's microscopic anatomy, which requires a microscope to study small structures like cells and tissues. And don't forget developmental anatomy, which looks at how the body grows and changes over time. In physiology, we study how different body systems function. For example, how the lungs help in breathing or how the heart pumps blood. It's fascinating stuff. Next up, the levels of structural organization. The human body is organized into 6 levels. First, the chemical level includes atoms and molecules. Then, the cellular level, which consists of cells, the smallest living units of the body. The tissue level includes groups of cells working together. The organ level comprises structures made of tissues that perform specific tasks. Then we have the organ system level, where multiple organs work together. Finally, the organismal level is the entire human being. It's like a well-oiled machine. Let's not forget about homeostasis, which is the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment despite changes outside. For example, when your body temperature rises, you start to sweat to cool down. Disruptions in homeostasis can lead to diseases or health issues, so it's crucial to keep it balanced. Now let's talk about anatomical terminology. To accurately describe body parts and locations, we use specific terms like anterior, front, and posterior, back, superior above, and inferior below, medial, closer to the midline, and lateral, farther from the midline, proximal, near the point of attachment, and distal, farther from the point of attachment. These terms help healthcare professionals communicate clearly about patient conditions and procedures. To visualize and study the body, we use imaginary lines called body planes. The sagittal plane divides the body into left and right parts. The frontal, coronal plane divides the body into front and back parts, and the transverse plane divides the body into top and bottom parts. Simple, right? Lastly, let's look at body cavities. The human body has hollow spaces that house and protect vital organs. The dorsal cavity contains the brain and spinal cord. The ventral cavity includes the thoracic cavity, heart and lungs, and the abdominal cavity, digestive organs. And that's a wrap for Chapter 1. This chapter provides a solid foundation for understanding the structure and functions of the human body, which is essential for nursing students to perform their duties effectively. If you have any trouble with the concepts, feel free to reach out in the comments or check the description for my contact info. See you in the next video.